Let's look at a poem from Tili Kannada grade 6. The name of this poem is Chutukugalu and it is written by Dinakara Desai. Chutuku means short poems where each stanza is just about 3 or 4 lines. It is also called as epigram in English. So there are 3 such short poems here. Let us look at them. Hattiya Bele. Hatti means cotton and Bele is crop or growth. ಆಗಸದ ಹೊಲದೊಳಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕೆಗಳ ಬಿತ್ತಿ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಬಿಳಿಮುಗಿಲ ಹತ್ತಿ. ಈ ಹತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹಿಂಜಿದವರಾರು ನೀರೇ, ಸೂರ್ಯನಲ್ಲದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ. So, ಆಗಸ is sky, ಹೊಲದೊಳಗೆ is field. So, the poet is considering the sky as a field. Then, ಚಿಕ್ಕೆಗಳ ಬಿತ್ತಿ. Chikke is stars and bitti is sow. Since he has considered the sky as the field, he is considering the stars as the seed. So, in the field, which is the sky, the seeds are sown and the seeds here are stars. ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಬಿಳಿ ಮುಗಿಲ ಹತ್ತಿ. And by the time it is early morning, ಮುಂಜಾನೆ is early morning. When you see, there is white clouds, which is like cotton. Okay? So, in the poet's imagination, he is considering the sky as a field and the stars as the seeds. So, the seeds have been sown in the field, and the next day morning, when you look at the field, the seeds have grown. They have become crops. Okay, so they have become, so the clouds, the poet is considering the clouds as the cotton crop that has grown from the seeds. ಈ ಹತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹಿಂಜಿದವರಾರು ನೀರೇ. So he is asking, who has spread this cotton? Oh beautiful, who has spread this cotton? ಸೂರ್ಯನಲ್ಲದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ. It cannot be anyone else other than the sun. Okay, so this poem is talking about the importance of sun, like how sun is important for growing crops. Okay, so this poem is dedicated to the sun. And then the next one is Sojigada Koli. Sojiga means something which is very amusing, and Koli is hen. So the amusing hen. ಎಲುಬು ಇಲ್ಲದ ಕೋಳಿ ತೋರಿಸಲೇ ನಿನಗೆ, ನೋಡಬೇಕೆನಿಸಿದರೆ ಬಾ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ. ಹೀಗೆನಲು ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ, ಕೋಳಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ತಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿದ ಕಂದ. So, ಎಲುಬು is bones and ತೋರಿಸು is show. So, there's a child which goes to a boy and the child, he is telling to the boy, I will show you a hen which has no bones. ನೋಡಬೇಕೆನಿಸಿದರೆ ಬಾ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ. If you feel like seeing a hen which has no bones, then come to my house. ಹೀಗೆನಲು ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ. So on hearing this, the boy went to see the hen which had no bones. ಕೋಳಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ತಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿದ ಕಂದ. And that child who told him, come, I will show you. When this boy goes to see, he is like surprised and shocked and wondering how can there be a hen without bones. So when he goes to this child's house, the child gets the egg and says, this is the hen which has no bones in it. Then the next one is Tangige. Tangi means younger sister. For younger sister. Tangige means for younger sister. Gagana Deviya ಹಣೆಗೆ ಚಂದಿರನ ಬೊಟ್ಟು, ರಂಗೋಲೆಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಿಳಿನ ಹಿಟ್ಟು. ಬಾಂದಳವ ಸಿಂಗರಿಸಿದವರಾರು ತಂಗಿ, ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೊಲಿಸುವೆನು ಚಿಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಅಂಗಿ. So Gagana is sky, Devi is goddess. ಗಗನ ದೇವಿಯ ಹಣೆಗೆ ಚಂದಿರನ ಬೊಟ್ಟು. So the poet is considering the sky as a goddess and the moon as the bindi or the bottu that the goddess wears on her forehead. ರಂಗೋಲೆಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳಿನ ಹಿಟ್ಟು. And usually when you have to draw rangoli, you usually do it with a white powder, right? It's like rice flour. It's mainly made with rice flour. So the moonlight, the poet is comparing the moonlight as the rangoli powder or the flour with which you draw rangoli. ಬಾಂಧಳವ ಸಿಂಗರಿಸಿದವರಾರು ತಂಗಿ. And he's asking his younger sister, who has decorated the sky? ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೊಲಿಸುವೆನು ಚಿಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಅಂಗಿ. And if you give me the answer for this, I will stitch a shirt or a dress of stars for you. So this is talking about the beauty of the sky in the night, moonlight and the sky in the night. So these are all the 3 poems, Chutukugal.